Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode. This is video number 1 of 3 every week. Last week we missed posting because of some issues, but yeah, we're back guys. We're back. So today we're going to be talking about Blum as a project. I've been on this project for more than 2 months now. I don't know why I haven't actually reviewed and shared with you guys, because I really have high expectation of Blum. Yeah, so today we're going to be breaking down the project, what they're all about. So but before we dive into it guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel and you're seeing our video for the first time, guys, subscribe to this channel. We have series of videos you will love to watch, educational videos at that. And then like this video, and let's get this video to as many people as possible. Also check our description below for several links and join each of these links to be part of what we are doing, right? So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is the Blum mini Telegram application. They also have a game on here which I am going to play. This is the page. Very swift and straightforward, simple application. So they have their home page here. As you can see, I have over 154,000 Blum points already, and trust me, I've not been playing this as much as I would have loved to, because I truly think they are up to something. And then on this same page, you could see here where they have their game, which I am going to play later. And they have this farming counting down, because every 7 hours you get to come in and claim about 69 points of Blum. And if you can do that for 2 to 3 times a day, then it's good number as well, although I have not been able to do that, right? On the end page, you have several activities that they want you to do, including following them on socials. I already did this. Checking in on their Telegram, Instagram, the X page, Facebook, Discord, and YouTube channels, where you're going to claim about 90 points per task. You have to do that, I think, once a week. And then they also have different other tasks, like watching their YouTube video, where you can claim 250 points per video. You also have the task on the on-chain. You connect your Ton wallet and then you get some points. Then their socials, you follow them on all their socials, you get some points as well. They have this academy, which is the same. It is the same. They have videos where you can earn points. Yeah, and then you get 250 points per video. But I've been having this issue with their videos, because whenever I try to verify, because you have to verify with the code. This is what majority of this Telegram application has been doing, so that they ensure that people actually watch the video, where they put in a code within the video. But each time I do that, I've been getting some not so good response. So that's why I've not been doing that as much. But let me know what you think in the comment section, if you find a solution to that, or if you're also facing the same problem. They also have the friend. Okay, on the same task page, I think the academy is the last one. Okay, they have friends. You earn points for inviting friends. Then the farming, you earn some bonus points for farming a particular amount of Blum points per time. I think that's all for the points, the end page. Then for the friends page, you could see every friends you've invited. And if you are not yet on Blum, if you have not joined Blum, go into the description below right now and you see a link to the Blum project. Click that link and be part of what Blum is doing. You also get to be part of my clique. So guys, go click that link now. Another thing you could get from this is you get to earn points from your friends. So if your friends, as your friends are being active on Blum, you also get to, earn from their activities, which is quite interesting, right? Then they have the last page, which is the wallet page, that if you've connected your Ton wallet, you get to see your Ton balance, And they have some other things here that are not yet active. Let's check the points page. Okay, you can only show the number of Blum points you've earned, and then the task or the quest rather, then history coming soon. And that's that about this their Telegram mini application. It's straightforward, it's easy to maneuver, and they also have this community. I belong to the dogs community, of course, but they have several communities. It's a mini community inside Blum community. Let me put it that way. Several communities, right? Yeah, you can join anyone. And also, I am not sure what these communities have to do with anything, but it's just a good way for you to be part of a community on Blum community. So that's why I call it a mini community on the Blum community. So that's it about their Telegram. So let's try and play the game proper. So the game is straightforward. You just click on this and then you can freeze with those eyes looking figures. Okay, it's actually fast, but I try as much as possible to punch as much as I can, but you have to avoid the bomb as well, because the moment you did not, if I punch on the bomb, let's see, you see it blows up my points, take me back to 0. Oh dear. Right, as you can see, I'm avoiding the bombs, but I'm not getting the eyes again to freeze the game and get more points. So at the end of the day, I was able to get 78 points. So that's that about their game, guys. So I think that's about it on the Blum Telegram mini application. It's straightforward. It's not cumbersome at all. It's straightforward. They have the wallet here, and then the wallet shows your connected Ton wallet, like I said. And then I think that's it. So quickly, let's get to check out some other things that Blum have lined up for us. Let's go to their X page. If you're not following me on X, there is a link in the description below. Go to the description and follow the link through. Connect with me on X and then let's engage ourselves. So this is their X page. Like you see, they have about over 5 million followers on Twitter or X, whichever one you call it, right? Yeah. So what I want us to check is their link to their website link. Let's check it out. So here they describe what Blum is trying to do, and like I've said earlier in majority of my videos, I've tried to highlight that majority of these mini Telegram applications are not offering more than just their application, which they are using to farm engagement on their socials and get more followers on their socials, while also selling out their database to different companies as ads, while they have to make money, which I understand. At the same time, they are not offering us something much more than these games, which is not going to be sustainable, because we all know that when you're trying to airdrop, you see a lot of people come together because they want to be part of that airdrop and earn a few bucks. But at the same time, after the airdrop, the whole project is down. There is nothing more to offer. I expected more from Amstar, to be honest, because I felt they are in the right position to actually offer more than just a game. And now even their season 2 is not really offering that much, which I am sure majority of the community are already disappointed. It might be because of the failure in the airdrop, where many people didn't get to earn from the airdrop, or the listing or the allocation, the listing price or the allocation is not up to what people are actually expecting. That happens. But aside from that, I'm talking about proper projects. What else do you have to offer than just the Telegram mini application activities to farm engagement and social followers? You must be able to offer more. That's what I'm trying to point out. And I think Blum is up to something here. Let's see what they say Blum is all about. So they said Blum is a hybrid exchange designed for emerging markets, offering access to tokens from centralized and decentralized exchanges, along with simplified derivative trading. So they are going to offer us everything centralized and decentralized exchange offer according to them, and also offer us what they call emerging market. I think emerging market is not new as well, right? We have I think Okex and Bybit already doing something similar. Emerging markets is a form of markets where we get to see tokens that are not not already listed on big exchanges, or at times they are not even listed on any exchanges. At times they are not even listed on any exchanges at all. So that's what emerging markets is. For instance, let's say when Amstar was about to launch, do we already have the emerging prices, the prices on emerging markets on exchanges like Okex? So what they are trying to offer us is not something that is new per se, although they said it is designed for Gen Z and millennials. Well, okay. But another thing I like about Blum is that they've been able to let us know the people behind Blum. At least we have a name to search and actually see who are those that are working behind the scene. Here they said they have their CEO and co-founder to be Gleb Kostarev, the former vice president of Binance with extensive experience in Asia, blah 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 blah, and they have other names listed here, which is actually something really interesting. So guys, let me know what you think about what Blum has done here with describing what their project is beyond just Telegram mini application. Let me know what you feel in the comment section about this, and let me know if you think they actually have something unique to offer aside from what every other exchanges have been trying to offer us. Well, I don't know, we are still waiting for them, but let's quickly take a look at their roadmap and see if they are actually on par with their timing. So here's the roadmap. So far so good. They said they want to launch a bot, which they've already done. Development of new features. They have already new features on that Telegram mini application. Yeah. Then by July, they said they want to enhance community and engagement. They've been able to do that through their game, which is also interesting. August, they said empowering token creation. Then the third quarter to the fourth quarter of 2024, they said they are going to launch the project at its full-fledged. So we are waiting. We want to see what they have to offer us. It will be quite interesting. So guys, as well, if you're not following me on X, follow me. The link is in the description below. Let's engage. Also on their community, on their X community, I think they have engaging tweets, and that's that about it. If you've watched this video to this time, thumbs up to you. Thank you for doing that. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Check the description and you'll see lots of links to different projects I'm currently involved with. Join my clique. Let's win together. At the same time, we have a link to our Telegram channel where you can keep yourself up to date about the happenings in the crypto space. Join our channel, share with your friends, let them join. Let's grow that community. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Big up yourselves, big up your damn selves. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.